The following is a class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 9, Text number 40, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta, Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 22nd May, 1973 in New York.
So, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Ramya Kachi Dupasana Bhajavadhu Vadgavija Kalpita. And there is no better method of worship than the system invented by the gopis. So gopis' invention of worshipping Krishna was to remain always Krishna conscious without any material profit. That is the super excellence of gopis. They never expected any return from Krishna. That was not their business. Krishna, we have done so much for you. You cannot give me this benediction. No. They will never ask like that. That is the first class worship. Krishna, you take whatever you like from us. But we do not ask anything, neither we have any need. This is Gopi Bhava. We have got everything to give you, and we have no need to ask you. This is Gopi Bhava. Generally, they worship God needy. Artha, artharthi. Artha means diseased. Artharthi means need of money. People generally go to church, temple, when they are suffering from some ailments or need of money. These two classes, another two classes, Jigyasu, Gyani. Gyani means who is after pure knowledge. And Jigyasu means inquisitive. What is the nature of God? They are higher section, but they are not bhaktas. Just like there are many philosophers, they also talk of God, but they are not bhaktas. But because they are talking of God, they are getting some benefit. Just like if you handle with fire, you perceive some warmth automatically. So these four classes of men, they are not bhaktas, devotees. Artha, artharthi, Gyani and Jigyasu. But because they come to Krishna for some benefit, somewhere or other they offer their service. Because praying is also another service. There are 9 kinds of services. Savanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasivanam, Archanam, Bandhanam. This is also service. But because this service is rendered for some motive, to mitigate the sufferings, artha, artharthi, or to satisfy some inquiries, they are not pure devotion. So, the gopis' activities, they are the supreme platform of pure devotion. There is no other business. There is no other business. Gopis, they are not interested to know philosophically whether Krishna is God. Although they are seeing every step, Krishna is God. Mother Jashoda is seeing that Krishna is God. Gopis also, Gopi Jana Vallabha, Girivaradhari. Krishna is lifting the Govardhan hill. Who can do it except God? They are seeing it. Still they do not know that Krishna is God. Krishna is wonderful, that's all. They do not like to know whether Krishna is God or not. They want to love Krishna. Krishna may be God or not God. It doesn't matter. Just like if you love somebody, what he is rich man, poor man, educated or non-educated, there is no consideration. Love has no such thing, consideration. Similarly, Gopi's love for Krishna was pure. There was no consideration that Krishna was God, therefore they wanted to dance with him. No. Krishna wanted to dance with them, therefore they came to Krishna. Krishna is now calling by the vibration of his flute at this dead of night. So, all these young girls, they are all married. Some of them are mothers. She immediately left their home. That is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Some of them are cooking, some of them are feeding, breastfeeding the children. Some of them are pleasing the husband or the father. In this way everyone was engaged. But as soon as Krishna's flute was heard at dead of night, they left home immediately. All the guardians, generally in India for young girls, the guardians are the father, the husband, the brother, all male members. They forbid, where are we going? Nobody cares. No love for so-called children, no love for home, no love for brother, father, or no respect, Krishna. That is Gopi super extents. So that is being explained. And Bhishma Dev, at the point of his death, he is relishing. These are to be learned. Unless we are practiced to think of Krishna always, how at the time of death we can think of? Therefore, Kulasekhar says, Krishna tadiya padapankaja panjanantam addaiva vishatu vimha nasaraja hansya prana prayana samaye kapavata pitto kanthavarudhala vidho smaranam kutaste. Maharaj Kulasekhar, king, a great devotee, he is praying to Krishna. Krishna, this is the opportune time. Now I am healthy. I am quite in good health. So let me die immediately. Thinking of you. Because my whole purpose is to think of you, of your pastimes at the time of death. So, Generally, at the time of death, kapha vata pitta, the whole system becomes disarranged. There are coughing, there are headache, there is some pain. This is general system. Sometimes they are so intolerable that the man who is going to die, he cries. The system within the body is so complicated that at any time it can be disarranged and it becomes a great source of pain. So at the time of death means the arrangement becomes so dangerously painful that one leaves this body no more. This is death. This bodily arrangement becomes so painful. Just like one commits suicide when the situation is too much painful. He wants to rescue by committing suicide. Similarly, when the bodily pains are too severe, then the living entity cannot live in this body. Katha deham. He gives us this body. So we have to give up this body. That we forget. People have become so misguided. They are memorizing. In our country, some astrologer has said that one big politician, he has become one of the two dogs in Scandinavia. Now here, for this material body, they have erected museum and statues and being worshipped by so many methods. But the spirit soul, which was the politician actually, not his body, he has taken birth as a dog. This is their mistake. Where the politician has gone and what he is doing, they do not know. But they are concerned with the body. My Guru Maharaj used to say, yes, that one man is drowned. Another brave man comes. I'll save him. And she jumps over the water and brings the coat and shirt. Now this man is saved. So what people will say, what a nonsense he is. He has brought his coat and shirt, and the man is saved. Similarly, these rascals, they are dealing with the coat and shirt of the living entity, but they have no knowledge in the university or anywhere where the soul has gone. These rascals have no knowledge. They are simply concerned with this external body. Those who are interested only with this external body, not those who are 99.9% population, they are interested in this bodily concept of life. Perhaps we are the only institution in the world which is teaching that you are not this body. This is the wonder of Krishna consciousness movement. We are the only institution throughout the whole world that we are teaching people that, my dear sir, you are not this body. You are different from the body. And after death, you get another body. Tatha dehataram prapti. simple education in the Bhagavad Gita. They do not understand. There are big, big scholars, rascals, all rascals. Our difficulty is these rascals are going on as scholars. They have no buddhi. Their life is bodily concept of life, and they're passing as scientists, scholars, leaders, politicians, and they're leading us. Andha jathandi, they are blind, and they are leading us. So we have been also put into difficulty. So only this Krishna consciousness movement can save the human civilization and get him raised to the platform of the gopis. We have got such nice thing. These gopis, unallied Krishna love. That is what. Thank you very much.